Jaden's going to help me find the percent of a number. Here's a little trick that might help.
So of means multiply, and then you're going to divide.
All right, what do we multiply?
35 times 80. 0 times 5 is 0. 0. And then put your 0. 8 times 5 is 40. 24, 28. Then divide by 100, so 28%.
So we already had percent here, so it's actually just plain 28. Because they want 35% of 80 equals what number? And then 28 is our number. Perfect. Woo, way to go, Jaden. Let's continue and do another example.
Okay, 98 times 92. 16, 19, 0, 72, 81, 88, 6, 11, 10, 9, 9, 0, 1, 6, and then divide. So 90.16.
Great job.